morning students, welcome back to the social class. Students, in the previous class we have discussed about the lines of latitudes, lines of longitudes, about the heat zones of the earth's surface, about the prime meridian which is located at Greenwich, London, and about the international time line which changes the day and date of different places. In today's class, we will discuss about the longitude and time. Students, in the previous class, we have discussed that longitudes are vertical lines which passes from north to south. There is a relation between longitude and time because longitude determines time. It decides time of a place. Earth rotates from west to east. Suppose this ball is Earth and it rotates from west to east. This is the west direction. This is east direction. It rotates from west to east in anti-clockwise direction. Okay. All places in east. Suppose this is sun and this is Earth. This is the east direction. All places in east will have sunrise earlier because this is the east direction which faces the direct sunlight, and whereas the places in the west will have sunrise later because Earth rotates from west to east. East direction, east places will have sunrise earlier, whereas the places which is located in the west side will have sunrise later. And the reason is because the Earth rotates from west to east. It rotates from west to east. Okay? Now, Earth rotates total 360 degree in 24 hours. It rotates 360 degree in one day. Therefore, 15 degree in 1 hour and 1 degree in 4 minutes. So, if a place 1 degree east in the east direction will have sunrise 4 minutes earlier than the west direction. Okay? And therefore, each longitude have its different time, and that time is called the local time of that particular longitude. Geographers have divided the entire earth, or we can say that entire globe, into 24 time zones, and each time zone has a difference of 15 degree or 1 hour. The middle longitude of each time zone means the middle longitude of each time zone is considered as standard meridian, and the local time on this longitude is followed as the standard time of that area. Middle longitude of each time zone is termed as standard meridian, and the time and the local time on this longitude is followed as the standard time of that place. Okay? Now, this creates uniformity in time and avoids confusion. When we talk about the location of India, its extent is 68 degree in the west and 97 degree in the east. And standard time. India's standard time is 82 degree and a half east, which lies between the 75 degree east and 90 degree east. And 82 degree and a half east longitude passes from the Mirzapur, Allahabad, which is situated in Uttar Pradesh. And India followed the same time zone. India's standard time is 82 degree and a half east. Now, we complete our chapter number 14. I will send you the written work of this chapter in our next class.